Welcome back to Booster Advertising. Today, we're diving into a game changer for anyone who creates presentations: how to use AI to make them faster, smarter, and more engaging. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, this guide will help you level up your presentation skills using AI. So, why are AI-powered presentations becoming so popular? Imagine this. Instead of spending hours finding images, designing layouts, and writing content, AI can do it for you in minutes. These tools not only save time, but can also help you create dynamic, visually appealing presentations that keep your audience engaged. Let's look at some powerful AI tools that can help you achieve this. To get started, let's go over some popular AI tools that can transform your presentations. We'll cover a few options so you can choose the ones that best suit your needs. Microsoft PowerPoint Designer. Microsoft PowerPoint now includes an AI-powered designer feature that suggests layout ideas, colors, and images to make slides more attractive instantly. Canva's Magic Design. Canva's Magic Design feature uses AI to generate design suggestions. You can drag and drop elements, and it quickly produces a polished slide. Tome AI. Tome uses AI to help users create narrative-driven presentations with visuals, text, and storytelling elements tailored to your content. These are just a few tools, but they all offer a unique way of handling different aspects of presentations, from design to storytelling to layout. Next, let's talk about generating content. AI can also help you with text suggestions, research, and even slide structure. Let's see how it works. With tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can brainstorm ideas, or even ask AI to draft talking points or an outline for each slide. Simply type your topic and watch as it generates concise, clear information that you can use directly or refine further. Remember, these tools can generate suggestions, but don't hesitate to customize them to ensure your presentation feels personal and authentic. All right, now that we have our content, it's time to add some visuals. AI can help you find or even create unique images and graphics for your slides. For unique graphics, try using DALL-E or Midjourney to create custom illustrations or imagery that match your theme. Or use stock suggestions in Canva, which uses AI to recommend visuals based on your topic. This feature is especially useful if you want to make your presentation stand out with visually appealing, high-quality images. Now that we have content and visuals, let's talk about automating slide design. With AI-powered layouts and templates, you don't need to be a designer to create stunning slides. In PowerPoint, the Designer tool will offer layout suggestions as you add text and images. This makes sure your slides are balanced and visually appealing. With Beautiful.ai, all you have to do is add your content, and the AI will handle the design for you. These automation tools can save you hours on formatting, making your slides look polished and professional with minimal effort. Once you have your AI-enhanced content, visuals, and design, it's time to finalize your presentation. Let's look at a few finishing touches. Double-check all AI-generated text and images for accuracy. Add your personal touch by tweaking text and layout to fit your style. And there you have it. With AI, you've saved time, improved the quality of your presentation, and added engaging elements that captivate your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more tips and tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next